and welcome to Pandora FMS. In today's video, we will show you how the Grep Log Module plugin works. It is an agent plugin available for Linux-based distributions. Its main function is to send the processed information from the log to the log collector. The default execution of this plugin collects the system message logs using the same syslog as the source of the source. For this video, we're going to change both the name of the source, the path of the logs, and the regular expression of the plugin. As we said before, this plugin belongs to the Agent Plugins section. So to enable it, go to the configuration view of the agent whose logs you wish to monitor. If you have remote configuration enabled, which we highly recommend, an icon similar to a puzzle piece will appear. Click on it and it will take you to the Agent Plugins management window. Here you may see the agent plugins that are incorporated by default in the installation. Among them, there are plugins for monitoring, hardware, services, inventory, and the one that concerns us, logs. To enable it, just click on the light bulb icon and it will be ready. However, as we said before, we're going to edit the default plugin, in addition to adding a couple more to see how it works in more depth. Keep in mind that to use this plugin, you need to have an Elasticsearch server configured in Pandora FMS. If you don't have it configured or you don't know how to do it, we'll leave you a video in the description of a very simple tutorial on how to install and configure this server quickly. Now proceed to configure the different plugins. The first plugin that we're going to configure will be the same as the one that comes by default, changing only the name of the log source. Modify the name, click Update, and enable it. The second plugin will collect the accesses to Pandora FMS console to which you will assign the name Apache Log. You may copy the execution of the previous plugin and change both the name on the source and the path where the Apache logs of your server are located. And finally, we're going to create an agent plugin that collects system messages, but only filtering those with the word error. This is a regular expression in Perl format, so we would really be entering .*, but we skipped it with the inverted slash, so that it interprets it correctly. Now wait for the agent to restart and run the plugins that you just created. Once the agent has been restarted, the respective sources of the sources of each plugin will have been created for you. Go to the Monitoring Log Viewer section, where both the agent that we configured and the log sources will appear. If no source appears, it is possible that you have misspelled the path of the log or the regular expression of the plugin execution. To see any agent log, just select the agent, the log source, and click Search. As we can see, each source matches the name that you assigned to each plugin execution, and the data that they show matches what you indicated, such as the error filter of the last one. And that was it for today's video. Don't forget it, if you like the video, smile, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe. Any suggestions, questions, or ideas, please leave them in the comments below. Remember that if you're interested in trying Pandora FMS Enterprise, you may contact us to get a free 30-day trial.